Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a project share. This is the Dollar Tree doll houses that I have turned into a haunted house. Like I said on my live video, this was not my idea. Diamond sent me a TikTok video and I ran with it, but I did change a lot from the TikTok video and even the lady's YouTube. There's a YouTuber that also did it. They don't look nothing like, these don't look nothing like either one of those ladies. So I thought I'd share them with you. Now, as you can see, the first row is mine. And I'm just going to slowly pick it up. This is my first house I did. One of the first houses I did. I think this was the first one. I took some hot glue and did some like spider webbing on it. This is the second house. Now, how I did these, just so you know, if you don't want to watch the live, is I spray painted them black. Let it dry. I did 2 coats of spray paint. I dry brushed the rest with gray, brown, white, a little green to get the dingy look. Added some little details of my own, and here we go. These are diamonds. She didn't want the extra, the webbing or the extra. She wanted hers just left plain. This was her one house. I should do the comparison so you can see the two difference. There we go. And this is hers. So you can see how I made them totally different colors as well, as you can tell, but the same house, same technique, just different way I did them. There I took some gauze, made little curtains in the windows. Also, hers does have gauze in the window. I have little figures in the, because they come with all this little furniture and these itty tiny little people. I painted the people black, and there are, I have 2 in my windows. There's one in her window. That's all she asked for. And I may get some grass, mauve, or whatever they call it, and do some on the edges a little bit, but I don't have any at the time. Now, the next step I will do after is I will put a clear coat on this tomorrow. I'm going to take the lights out. That's why the lights are in there temporarily. I will be clear coating these because it will scratch the paint off so easily. Like right here, I just spotted some. It take the whole paint off real easy, just real, and you'll end up seeing the playhouse. And there's a couple spots on mine that I can see that I already did that. So I kind of touched it up. You can't even tell. That's alright. It's supposed to look that way, old and grungy. So clear coat them tomorrow, and then I will be picking up a couple more things of lights. Diamond's responsible for her own lights, and she'll pick them up. And that's what they look like. Now I'm going to share them in the dark with you. Here we go. They are lit up. They do look cool. I like how they look. Once they stand up, you'll see, because I have a figure in my window here as well as here. It's hard to see them at the moment, but they are there. I will have the lights where they won't look so bright. Right now they look pretty bright. I like how the red looks. This is a purple color in the diamonds. Mine right now are both in green. But that's how they look lit up. So you can do a little scenery somewhere in your house and light them up. But I just wanted to share with you how they looked lit up. I think they turned out really good. I think they're cute. Like I said, not my idea, but I did change a lot from what the videos that I've seen to how mine turned out. So, if you make these, let me know in the comments. I'd greatly appreciate it. I'd like to see what you created. And I will talk to you later. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer it. They're from the Dollar Tree. I guarantee that if you don't have a Dollar Tree, you probably have that little section where 5 and under, 5 below stores and stuff like that. You probably could find them too. I'm going to look for a bigger one. I wouldn't mind doing just a little bit bigger one. That'd be kind of cool to do. But I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.